I'm doing here is creating some nice Regal nuts to have while the game is going on. So quick, easy snacks, cup of joe in World Cup mode. What I'm doing here, guys, is have some warm olive oil. I don't want it too hot, so I'm kind of taking it off the fire. I really just wanted some rosemary and some thyme. I am smelling it. I wish you could have smelled it. Olive oil just kind of infused with those herbs. I really just wanted it to get into the oil, infuse into the oil. I don't want the oil to be too hot because it will burn the herbs. Cayenne pepper. And a little jeera that I'm adding. I want to stir that in now. I have some almonds. So I'm just kind of tossing just a bit of all of them. So just about a half pack of this almonds. I have some pecans, walnuts, one of my favorites. I've kind of grown to love walnuts ever since I've been nutting. I have some peanuts, good old peanuts, and some cashews. And just kind of toss it together. All I'm doing with this now is taking this infused oil, kind of just pouring all over the nuts there. Stir to make sure all the grains are coated. Touch of salt, touch of pepper, and some sugar, just to balance off all that spice. So this will be good just like this, but it will be even better if you put it on a nice roasting pan and bake and roast these nuts in the oven for just about 10 minutes. Guys, how that look?
Looks good, smells good.
It looks good and smells good. It's a nice glaze on it.
And let's see, can I do this without spilling any nuts on the table?
You will try.
I'm going against that. That's like me backing Saudi Arabia against Argentina.
Well, are you back in Saudi Arabia? This will go with you.
Oh man!
What do I win?
4 shots off target.
I never. There's a kind of cross-pollination of flavors as well too.
Big words, boy, cross-pollination of flavors.
He's been watching on certain channels.